Welcome back to the subject Gaming Architecture and Programming. Today's MCQ topic is 2D drawing and DirectX, that is unit number 5. Let's begin with the slide. First, features of chroma key. First, what is the chroma key? Chroma key is the special pixel value which is transparent. It is used whenever two images are composed together. While composing, the transparent pixel, that is the chroma key, reveals the other image in its place. Okay, so this is the chroma key. What are the features of chroma key? Chroma key, for composing, for revealing the other image, it requires the knowledge of RGB value. So first option, having knowledge of RGB value, yes, it is the feature of chroma key. Anti-aliasing property, to make a smooth picture, to remove the unclearness, the chroma key requires anti-aliasing. So anti-aliasing is also the feature of chroma key. And because of this, many times image that do not look good and clear, yes, this is the disadvantage of the chroma key. That's why the answer is all of the above. First of all, whenever you get two options correct, like first and second we got, so directly you can mark the option fourth one, that is the all of the above. But for knowing that there is the disadvantage of chroma key also, that it because of chroma key the images doesn't look that good and doesn't look that clear also. That's why I told the third option, but the option that the answer for this MCQ is all of the above, fourth option. Moving to the next, that is graphics file formats. Everybody knows the JPEG, BMP, GIF. Yeah, you might not be knowing the BMP, but yes, these are the some of the graphics file format in which there is the JPEG, Joint Photographic Experts Group. This is the graphics file format. BMP is used for large files. It is the uncompressed file format, which is also the file format, graphics file format. And GIF, graphics interchange format, developed in 1987, which supports transparency, animation, and also it stores about 8 bits of colors info and all. So all this is the graphics file format. Your answer will be all of the above. Next, object that represents an image or animation on the video surface is BMP format. BMP format is the file format, so it can't be the object. You have to cross the first option. As you're crossing the first option, directly the fourth option, that is the all of the above, that also gets cancelled. Now you have only two options, that is the Z order property and sprites. Now Z order property, this is the property of the sprites. This is the property of the sprites. That means in sprite it determines the depth at which the sprites will be drawn. So I should say if any of the property is within it, so the answer, if I'm drawing that is the Z order property, rather than drawing that Z order property as an answer, draw sprite, because sprite directly it is the object which represents an image or animation on the video surface. Okay, so here our answer will be sprite. Undirected research, where developers are free to research any area. Undirected research, low visibility research, it is the first option, where low visibility research, this is only the option given for confusing. There is none such kind of option. Low visibility research is not there. Now going to the second, research on product. It can't be the undirected. If you're researching any of the product, you have to be some kind of directed type. Otherwise, if it is undirected also, research on product and research on gameplay, these are all the types of researches. So that is not the correct answer. The correct answer would be the blue sky research, because blue sky research is the research which is an undirected research, where developers are free to research the area that they are interested. They are not bounded to any kind of way, that which way they have to follow. Okay, answer is blue sky research. Next, reusable modules. In building blocks, there is a software factory. As everyone knows, there is a software factory which refers to the methodology of producing softwares. Okay, producing software. Whenever you are producing software, the common modules you can take directly. That means you can directly use from the ready-made set. So there are some of the modules that can be reused. So which are that reusable modules? Like there are a screen code module you can reuse for for determining that screen, for determining the sound setup code, for determining the compression, decompression, for determining the data file. In same way, there is the CD track playing code also. So CD track playing code is the reusable module. Menu code, yes, this is also the reusable module. If 2 is your answer, then directly you get the answer for this question, that is the fourth one, all of the above. If 2 matches, directly or indirectly, AI component is also the reusable module. Answer is all of the above. Next, core groups in software factory. Core groups in software factory, for their interactions, there are 6 types of core groups. So first core group goes with game design group, which creates ideas and develop the design documents. This is the core design group. Architecture group build the overall architecture and interaction between the teams. So architecture group is also the in core group. Next it goes with the tools group, which is not given, but tool groups, it lists the tools required for each of the level. Project group, which produces the actual game code using components. And research group, it acquires the knowledge of new technological developments and researches. So you get the 3 options here, game design, architecture. As you get 2 options, you can directly mark fourth one, that is the all of the above. But here we came to know, so we were designing what is the research group. So research group, it acquires the knowledge of new technological developments. Answer is all of the above. Next, different types of prototype in tire system. In tire system, there are the different types of prototypes. Gameplay prototype, yes, it comes within it. Subsystem prototype, yes, it comes within it. Algorithm prototype, yes, it also comes. If 2 comes, then you will be getting the directly option is the all of the above. Your answer is all of the above. Architecture styles, there are different types of, there are nearly 11 types of styles of architecture, in which traditional language based style, yes, it is the architectural style. Shared style, yes, here it is not given shared style, but shared style, data flow style, or are these architectural styles. So they have given traditional language based style, this is the option. P2P style, yes, that is also the option. If 2 is your option, directly you get all of the above is the answer. Your answer is all of the above. Here we ends. Thank you.